Hey champs, how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing great. So today we'll talk about the sound of E. You know that E is also a vowel, right? So E is the second vowel of our alphabet series. So now we'll talk about the sound of E. Short E as in wet. Nice? Okay. So now we'll move forward and we'll talk about some words which includes short E and the sound of short E. Okay? So the words are net, jet, hen, den, pen. Right. So these were the 5 words which include sound of E. Okay. Now we'll do a phonic drill for the same. So now here in the phonic drill, we'll join vowel E with some consonants. Now we'll talk about some words which include vowel E with consonant end at the end. Okay? Let's do it. Men, hen, pen, den, yen, pen. Great. So vowel E with consonant N sounds like N. Okay? Now we'll move forward where we have vowel E with consonant D. So vowel E with consonant D sounds like ed. Ed. Now we'll talk about some words which include this combination of vowel and consonant. Okay? Red, wed, fed, led, ted, bed. Great! So this was about vowel E with consonant D. So now we'll move forward. We are having vowel E with consonant T here. Okay? So vowel E with consonant T sounds like et. Et. The words we are having including vowel E with consonant T are wet, pet, get, met, set, net. Great. So this was about vowel E with consonant T. Now we'll move forward where we are having vowel E with consonant G. So vowel E with consonant G sounds like egg. Egg. The words we are having for this combination of vowel and consonant are leg, beg, teg, keg, peg, and meg. Great! So now we'll move forward to another vowel and consonant pair. Vowel E with consonants N and D. Okay? So here we have vowel E with consonants N and D. So vowel E with N, D sounds like end. End. Now we'll talk about some words which include this group of vowel and consonant. Okay? Let's begin. Bend, lend, mend, rend, send, and tend. Great! So these were the combinations for the phonic drill. Now we'll move forward to the reading part because Reading is learning. The first paragraph we are having is, a hen is in the pen. It is a red hen. Is it Ted's hen? Yes, it is Ted's pet hen. Has Ted fed it? Yes, Ted has fed it. Great! So now we'll move forward towards our second paragraph. Ben's dog is wet. My pet is a red cat. Can you see the web? Jen is wet. Where is my net? Net is wet. Great! Clap for yourself. So this was all for the sound of E. Now make sure that you practice it regularly at home. So now we'll meet in our next session. Till then, bye-bye.